Cold air followed by snow, and we're on our way into the Arctic abyss. Once again, taking a look at our home of economy Skycam in Devil's Lake. Now, there's still some ice crystals in the atmosphere, and we can tell that because we have the formation of some weak sundogs either to the left or the right. That's these Brighton stars. They kind of are copies of the sun as it moves through the sky. Requires ice crystals in the atmosphere, and we've lofted plenty of those up aloft lately over the last couple of days. And this morning from West Fargo, Tiffany, thanks for sharing these. We talked last night, I did briefly about the chance of northern lights. Tiffany captured it. What a cold night to be out doing this in the wind, but there were some northern lights here in the FM area. Tonight, our chances are a little lower, but we can't say they're zero for seeing northern lights. Once again, 5 below out at Hector. Your wind northwest, it's 18 miles per hour. It feels like 28 below. Now, our air temperatures could be closer to this number by morning as we are on our way down. Now, take a look at the winds. We're still around 15 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour in most locations, straight out of that cold northwest direction. So as temperatures fall, these winds are really going to be brutal. And in fact, it's 11 below Devil's Lake, 8 below Grand Forks and Thief River, 8 below Roseau, and 6 below in Detroit Lakes, with the warm spot here in our area being the Sisseton area at 1 below zero. Factor in those 15 mile per hour winds or so, and feels like 35 below on exposed skin. We cannot stress this enough. If you get stranded by roadside and your car doesn't run and you can't stay warm, if you're stuck out in this, you need that survival kit. So please take a moment before you go out on the road. Make sure you have something to keep everyone warm with. And we do like to share here in the Northern Plains. Look at the cold air. Here's the 0 degree line and everything north of that below zero. But the white line, that's the freezing line on its way into Oklahoma and points south now as our cold takes hold here. Your hour by hour forecast shows the area pink. That is a wind chill warning, folks. Dangerous wind chills, exposed skin, freezing in 15 minutes or less tonight. If you're stepping out and about, wind will be breezy at least through the evening hours, and then by 10 o'clock starting to taper off a little bit, but still windy enough to cause these wind chills to be in the 30 to 40 below category tonight, with wind chills that cold and air temperatures approaching 20 below already. By morning, mid-20s below for many areas, and do not be surprised to see some 30 to 35 below readings here and there in those low-lying areas, with wind chills between 40 and 50 below zero first thing in the morning. It does not take a lot of wind, it's just 5 to 10 miles per hour to achieve wind chills near 50 below. So a dangerous start to our day, and then the sunshine will go to work, but it's going to have a trouble warming things up. In fact, we're going to stay sub-zero for all of the daylight hours with wind chills 30 to 40 below at times. Then late in the day, the wind starts increasing for your afternoon drive home. The south winds will return the warmth, but many of us will see temperatures fall off first as that sun first sets. But overnight, thanks to these south winds, we're going to erase all of this sub-zero air out of the region by the time we get to the morning hours. But in Fargo, 24 below to start. Wind chills close to 45 below zero at times. Then as we go through the day, look at it climb. 7 below there at 4 in the afternoon. Sunny skies, south wind picking up. Temperatures drop early and then start rising into the overnight hours. Your hometown snapshot on the bus ride home. It looks like temperatures will be warmest to the west, where those south winds will really be churning. So remember, it'll still be wind chilly even in your afternoon, and we'll see sub-zero readings for most areas. Jacob captured this, and so many of you shared these vibrant sundogs on either side, and there's just that big halo around a vibrant sun out there in the cold. All right, we warm up to zero overnight on your Friday morning. That'll be nice. 22 your high, light snow in the forecast. 5 on Saturday with some more light snow into Sunday as well. I don't think anything too heavy for Friday through Sunday, but it does have a way of adding up, doesn't it, Stacy? Another shot of Arctic air with temperatures 20 to 30 below on your Tuesday morning next week as we continue to ride this winter roller coaster. Are you having fun?
Are you having fun?
That's a better question.
Right.
Yeah.
I can hear them. I can hear them.
You know how I feel about winter.
Yeah,
Thanks, Hutch.
you bet.